Maximum project time.
Ini saya airplane mas.
Terdampar. Baik
Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
Samangat General Salute Salame Sach. Samangat Baju Sach. जय श्रीमान श्रीमान आज का समानघाट पर एक एफएसआई एक बिगलदार 6 जवान आपका समानघाट पर हाजिर है श्रीमान समानघाट बकल सच श्रीमान लंचर के लिए अनुमति के लिए चाहिए श्रीमान समानघाट लंचर
Ladies and gentlemen, can we remain standing for the national anthem? Can we be seated?
Thank you, Chairperson. A very good morning, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is truly an honor to stand before you today in this inaugural event and to welcome you all to the inauguration of our new block, the Mawhati block of Rivoli district. Here marks a significant milestone in our journey towards excellence, and we are thrilled to share this momentous occasion with you all.
Corporate Sang. We will now felicitate. We will now felicitate the Honorable Minister of C&RD, Shri A.T. Mandal. We will now felicitate the Honorable MLA of Mawhati constituency, Shri Charles Marna. At this very juncture, we also have in our midst the Honorable MLA of Umsling constituency. We are very fortunate to have in our midst Shri C.H. Ramakrishna IAS, who is the Joint Secretary, C&RD and CEO. We also have in our midst
Pai ba ni jangan. Yang hari ko dalam sim kebetak dengan jiwa. Kejing so kemen kebakau. Haga bagai jing po save jangan. Makan ulang. Haga ni sini. Lalu chief minister jom ke jalan ke sini usah kontak sama. Nah itu beli gerbang yang chief minister. Ulang ulang yang ni kejing pula. Ngalah apa no? Unia beli chief minister. Ubah orang kecil, hendai dekat. Suara dengan join NPP, kena kau way ni dijing kawan, dijing terpar jangan, bat sisa kalau pulang. Dijing yo jangan ya kau blok kau berkemar, jadi kau way part kalau nak kau chapter kau berkemar, jauh kau Mawhati konsensi. Hadir san tu aslam. Tapi kalau dia ia kejelah ke zaman, mentang dia C&RD Block Mawhati. MLA jadi berkerja yang berkerja. I have my responsibility. Dalam kejidikan. Lalu apa percaya kekeran dalam sana. Sisian pengasimnya kejidikan. Menghabannya semua nak mendapat pada jangka konstitusi. Ngai tu beli UCM nak minta jadi syirkia dari orang yang di C&RD Block Mawhati. Sang Muslim kejelang ladap. Irandang kumakra naik di Shnong Umsohlait di bawah school building. Ngalai akhirnya jadi answer. Lagi. Bagaimana kita ke sekolah janda orang. Semua air itu boleh, you chief minister. Boleh rak kepan dia ke konstitusi. Nasuh kemen bu chief minister ulat pulang. Bantuan ulang yang surat nasuni dan syamsian. Saya dijingkan. Ubah belum jauh dari konstitusi. Udah yang surat berangsa sesuatu kilometer. Nah itu dia gerbang chief minister, deputy chief minister. Nah kemudian belai bersuruh orang 100 kilometer. Nah itu dia gerbang chief minister, yang di kabinet belai bersuruh orang naik. Nah orang naik syakdo hati 40 kilometer. Nah itu dia gerbang. Nama belai bersuruh pematar 4 kilometer shen sebentar. Ngai tu beli kepang, nama berbagi air surat, kan ribuan berapa boleh Shnong Umsohlait. Ngai tu beli kepang, nak benda surat nasentu mau semau teri, ubi asdang teri benda naik turun kita. Ngai tu beli kepang, nak benda surat haklim terus asdang teri benda sau turun kita. Ngai kubli kepala atau surat umtrai sampai yang lagi NPP berkesokan pada siang kami. Pai babi ISIS sendiri kubli dalam isu itu atau kajian. Pai babi suara mulai berjalan berkesokan. Nalakit lupa. Bagi bobor pikiran tapi pikiran. Dan sesyak keren bangan sesyak tempat hendai yang sacrifice ngalennya lebih ngarai nampak ringkat bagi Dr. Silva bagi Pak Gabriel Wala dan jalan berkepaki berkesokan nama nasuhu ladang-ladang hagajur kejagaan ke Mawhati jami dan dalam cinta lalu baca semangat umsak keren Nyempak yo C&RD Block Mawhati. Lalu wacana semana umsak keren. Umpak yo di surat berkali. Kita dulu lihatnya, lalu ibu tahu wacana. Lalu ibu tahu. Nasya kenapa semua ikan mesin apa? Kejingkeli kalau para ben perta iter ben klanyo sini spon berarti tak kebuka Bapak ini kau ini kalau ni ujian besar dekat kabinet bidang sisai ke kamu menolak ikan roy depan ke jamaah ini ayat kebiwai pikiran berpikir kau mereka mengipat tu mengenang itu mereka train atau kamu akan perlu ikut korban itu kebetulan kami ingin baik-baik akan perlu ikut jemplan di jamaah kalau mengidai dalam hidup semua iwai habis habis thọ yang essay yo the jing small jadi dijukan mau jom berdoa ini kita berdoa kepor pada tray di doktor di lapang isi tahu yang don't miss to say thank you but kau ipat ditinggal kami jual kau your blessing wajib lah kalau kumlai but nyawi di jing small tu ayat apa lagi ni kung tangi kita semua yang ada chief minister macam jadi orang macam ni kalau kali kalau kita kuih ya baru ham yang reu tu lagi senang lalu na ampreng amjong usiang terker hadu hamsau alai pobingan isnong nanti nak mau na sopo na insau na umsuram na umnatala reu tu lagi senang nangai kinsiyo ibu kita kuih mensuara pensen teman nilai sudah muslim Sispak kilometer na ampreng na amjong mentah ke Umsohlait. Iying baduk, iskim iying baduk hapwan ha Umsohlait mentah. Mendal kamlet syuk selesai. Dia kena kedau, memperken mau habang yo. Dia kena ke blok, tolong kecil. Bah habang yo yang C&RD Block. Dan mau lupa, berkiwai di department ru insawan. Kan selama kecil kuih ini. Di parlok na dukung siang, 40 kilometer di hablai. Syams ni. Kita di bawah yang apa? Bak chance kita masuk syams ni di mana? Mereka hadir mengalami keran asuhu. The problem kita nak bertahu surah. Waktu selain surah Umsohlait ini trailer. Bila masuk dalam siang baruan Umsohlait. Menda pada hari Syawal berikut sisi silpa. Dekat dengan Banginom syurga yang bakal Hagi jingde itu dan Hagi jingmande itu ke area Tu yang lam Merkesyan Dalam day mati ngamyo balong amle Dalam day mati Mamlong kuni Bat naga berkajati Nani sacrifice Bat nani tredi nani sikmat Duailan Kesyanan Hagi jingduai Bat omtang hagi jingduai kejati Sebenarnya ada kambu Ya kejingkesyan Boleh sibuk ni kerana Shnong Umsohlait. Orang Shnong berpresiden, yang eksekutif komiti Shnong. Iba lagi salam pura Shnong. Iba denes Juliet ni kedua yang chief minister malah kuat bagi. Nah itu boleh iseng lokmi, nah itu boleh sejuk lokmi juga Paris, iseng sama Paris. Nah itu boleh di bawah yang interest dalam betul. Nah itu boleh di bawah kira Shnong ni bidang yang kuat. Nah itu boleh video UPD badan license sini berkait dengan kurang. Thank you so much. Nak minta English community. Your Superintendent of Police, B.S. Rathore, I play the pound the department community. Kado kadwai ke ko. I play the long the power. So play the singing, play the jinso. Untuk mereka pada nanggalam nangis. Islam Mawhati konsensus. Islam Ipaibah Jota Mawhati konsensus. Ministerial Chief Minister of the government is with. With these few words, I will show myself, and once again, I thank you, the Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister of C&RD, this cabinet, and the government. Thank you so much. Mitela Jai.
our beloved leader and the Honorable Chief Minister of our beautiful state, Pak Conrad K. Sangma, my colleagues in the Assembly and your local MLA, Pak Charles Magna, our friends, who is also MLA of neighboring Shnong constituency, Dr. Bom, that's how he is popularly known, Dr. Bom. The former MLA from Mawhati constituency, Badonawab Kindet, Reverend Father Leo Yaoba, the officer who is representing today the C&RD department, Sri Ramakrishna Chituri, who is also in charge of Estate Livelihood Society, the Deputy Commissioner of Revoi District, Sri Abhilash Barandwal, all the dignitaries who are present on the dais and off the dais, all the headmen representing different Rongba Shnong and Warbar Shnong, all the officers coming here and attending the function, the friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great opportunity for me to be present on this historic occasion to grace this program with the most important infrastructure that will change the economic activity of the people of this region. Under the above leadership of our dynamic Chief Minister Sri Conrad K. Sangma, this is not the first block in his last term. He has opened 9 blocks in different difficult areas. When we took over, many MLAs came with requests to have more blocks. But then the Honorable Chief Minister has taken seriously about the words of the local MLA, Charles Magna, to see that the Mawhati block is being inaugurated as early as possible, seeing its difficult problems and the problem faced by the people living under this constituency. Now, block is an organization of the department which is having the lowest administrative unit, that is called the GS circle, through which government is also connected to the people to each and every villages. The idea to have the block is not only to bring the administration closer to the doorstep of the people. It is also meant to have to bring the livelihood to the people. Our Honorable Chief Minister has set 10 goals for the all-round development of the state. And with this 10 goal, he has set a target to achieve $10 billion economy as far as our state is concerned. This is a difficult job. It is not that easy to achieve. But then unless you set a target, you cannot set your goal also. And to do that and to achieve that, we need to change the system in the grassroots level to partner with the people as far the development is concerned. And that's how our Honorable CM sir, he is initiating many developmental activities in rural areas. As we know that our economy is agrarian in nature, we know that 80% of our population, our people are living in rural areas. Unless the economy of rural area changes, the Meghalaya's economy and financial position will never change. And that's how many mission mode projects have been brought forward by our Honorable Chief Minister, and he will to see that these benefits reach to the remotest part of the state. And accordingly, the state's own projects which have got from across the country and even outside of the country also. The CM11 project is targets to see that the benefits reach to the remotest part. We have self-help groups. When Honorable Chief Minister has taken the reign of this estate, we were having only few self-help groups. In 2018, only 5,984 self-help groups were there. And at the end of 2024, we are having 45,690 self-help groups. And these self-help groups are again divided into 5,640 village organizations. And these village organizations again being clustered with 328 cluster level federations. The prime target is to see that the government machinery goes to the most remote part of the state and not only extend the financial help to the people, but also gives handholding in terms of technical support, in terms of even giving support for packaging the materials that they make. There are lots of missions has been taken by our Honorable Chief Minister. The piggery mission, the goatry mission, the poultry farm mission, and dairy mission. This needs a lot of handholding. This needs a lot of technical support. And not only that, Honorable Chief Minister has taken pain to see that the support not only in terms of the financial credits, but also in terms of materials that reaches to the people. He takes pain to reach each and every block headquarters to distribute all these supports to the beneficiaries. I do believe that under his leadership, Meghalaya will come out of all the financial crisis. The rural Meghalaya will grow like it never grown. The rural youths will get all better facilities. And today when we were coming, he was telling me that this block will be the 56th block, the youngest block of the estate. But then, in a family when the youngest child is born, he is looked after in a better way. Everybody in the family, even the younger brother and sisters, love him. And I do believe that we will take our Honorable Chief Minister directly to see that this Mawhati block will be loved by other blocks. I was just telling Dr. Felicitation that don't worry, why you are feeling little bit gloomy that the colleague got a block and you have not got a block. Bobby Bilinga said that Ismail is beautiful. So taking 66 villages and most of them are from Umsohlait block, your block duty also has been reduced. That means indirectly you are also getting another block. Now, the monitoring of all these schemes will be better in Umsohlait block. It is not that with this block we are helping the people of Mawhati block, but we will be also helping the people of Umsohlait block, because 66 villages comprising the areas covering the Umsohlait and Bhoirungbung blocks have been taken out here. Our Honorable Chief Minister told me that maybe very soon there will be the declaration of autonomous district council election. So we may not be able to go ahead immediately, but he told make sure that at the most earliest this block gets functional. Sir, with your permission and with your directive, we will extend all possible help to see that this block functions as early as possible. I don't want to take much time because our Honorable Chief Minister is having many programs he has to reach to Tura also, and I got to reach to Villanagar also because today this Republic Day program is there. I do wish that this block will fulfill the long aspiring dreams of the people of Mawhati constituency, and I would like to congratulate our local MLA who, whenever he met me, he was just telling that what about our block, what about our block, what about our block. And before I could get information, he got information. He called me and told me that, are you coming for the inauguration of this block? I told I am here to get confirmed, let me know it. So he was so passionate and he was so working hard to see that this block comes to Mawhati. Kudos to you. And because of your hard work and because of the love and affection that's shown by our Honorable Chief Minister to you and the people of Mawhati, that we have got this day to day. This will be written in golden letter as per the history of Mawhati is concerned. Thank you very much, and I do wish that this will be the youngest but most energetic block as far the people of the states are concerned. Thank you very much. Kuble Shibun, Mitela, Joy.
Ms. Stephanie Martin. Can you support in the round of applause, please? Ms. Aitiman Kharkran. Ms. Ladibha Mukhim. And Mr. Ivansius Mukhim. And for the rest of the students, we will distribute the tablets after the inaugural function is over. Thank you very much, sir.
Kepuan ikipan wa isubhawani yang berhasil kepuan menaik jingkap di kumkadak jong jingkman beglayo ada di blok batmai.
Our respected Minister for C&RD and Power Department, Shri A.T. Mundo, the local MLA, and my dear friend, Charles Marla, our Honorable MLA from Umsohlait constituency, Dr. Celestin Lingo, our former MLA of this constituency, Block Mawhati, my dear friend Bashir, Reverend Father Leo Albor, our Deputy Commissioner, our Secretary C&RD, all the other dignitaries and officials from different line departments who are present out here, all the traditional heads, our religious leaders, our senior citizens, members of self-help groups, and all my dear friends who are present out here on this historic moment of the inauguration of the Mawhati C&RD block. At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for not just blessing us with this beautiful day, but for all the blessings that He has given us, especially today, the blessing of this new C&RD block for the people of this area and Mawhati constituency as a whole. I also would like to thank our C&RD Minister, Shri A.T. Mondal, for having made this day possible in a very, very short notice. Just a matter of few days, and we were able to have this program today. But most of all, I take this opportunity to thank and congratulate my friend Ba Charles, your local MLA, your leader, who has made this day a possibility, whose vision, dedication and commitment to his people has made this C&RD block something that was being there for a very long time, being demanded by people and leaders for many, many years. But it has been possible because of the dedication, commitment, hard work of your MLA, your leader, Ba Charles. He deserves a round of applause. I urge all of you, let's give him a round of applause, as it is his hard work that has made this day possible. So congratulations, Ba Charles, and thank you for your commitment to the people and to the state at large. Speaking about commitments, today is a day of commitments, fulfilling commitments. Shri A.T. Mondal mentioned in his speech that as a government we have been committed to taking administration closer to the people. There were close to 1 lakh people and population under the Umsohlait block. Some people in certain parts of the area had to travel more than 100 kilometers to be able to reach Umsohlait block. And that is why, as a government, we strongly felt
that this must change. And therefore, this commitment to ensure that we are able to provide the services, the facilities closer to the people has led to this day being possible. I was jokingly speaking to Dr. Baum. I said, thank you so much for coming out here to be part of this program. So he was saying, yes, it's just a neighboring constituency. So I asked him, did you come to also bid farewell to those villages which will not be Umsohlait block anymore? Umsohlait block was so big. As I said, it takes hours sometimes for people to come. And therefore, keeping that aspect in mind, even the pressure that was there under Umsohlait block for the officials to work, to cover the area, affected the kind of quality of service that we could provide at the grassroots level. And hence, as correctly mentioned by the Honourable Minister, that this will not only help the people of Mawhati constituency, but will also ensure that the overall services within the Umsohlait block is also improved. I also would like to share with you on some administrative reforms that we have been working very hard for. It will take some time to happen, but we are working on it. As a government, in the last 7 years, we have seen that there are many services that the government provides, and people have to go to the block for a certain service, the subdivision for a different kind of service, and then to the district headquarters for other government services. And we have been exploring the possibility of being able to provide most of the services through the block offices themselves. Why should an individual have to go to the DC's office to get their caste certificate when we have a very strong and competent block office right there available? Is there a mechanism within the administration which we could reform, where the powers remain with the Deputy Commissioner's office, but the people don't have to travel all the way to the district headquarters for that service? And that should be available right there at the block office. Now this requires a lot of reforms, technological intervention, but this is something that we would like to see, that if possible, not just the block, we would like to see that we would be able to provide these services all the way at your doorstep. So recently we have started what we call the VDVs, the Village Development Volunteers. I think some of them will be here. And the concept of having these volunteers is actually to provide that grassroots and door-to-door service at the village level. So we have about 1,500 to 2,000 of them with handheld devices, technology in their hand. Hopefully, as the days come, as we move forward with these reforms, we are hoping that the senior citizens will not have to go to the block to get their old age pension. They will not have to go all the way to the Deputy Commissioner's office to get the caste certificate. The system to be developed where these services will be available through the VDVs at the village level. This concept, we don't know how far we'll be able to go, how soon we'll be able to deliver this, but we are hoping that certain phases will start very soon. And therefore, my point being that block offices are becoming even more important for us. And we would like to see that the overall efficiency of the block offices improve. In the history of our state, for many, many years there have been blocks which have been functioning from buildings that were before even when we were part of Assam. and the infrastructure was never improved. It is this NPP-led government that decided that we must provide new infrastructure to all block offices. It has never happened before. First time it happened. And right now the construction is going on for all the blocks. Let me assure our MLA and all of you, and I would like to request our Honourable Minister that we should immediately sanction, within the next few weeks, we should sanction the new building also for the Mawhati block, so that work can start immediately. We have given to all the blocks, and as correctly mentioned by the Honourable Minister, this is the youngest child, so maybe the youngest child will get the most attention also. So we will ensure that the block office building also is done at the earliest. I would want that within a matter of weeks, keeping in mind the election code of conduct and other issues, if there, whatever is there, that the block building should be sanctioned at the earliest. And therefore now, throughout the state, you are seeing all the block offices are getting new buildings. And this is being done with that vision that we would want to see the block office becoming one of the main administrative front end for government services, so people can get 100% of the services from the block office itself. With that vision, we are improving the infrastructure. Very soon, almost I think right now 40% to maybe even 50% of the blocks are now being connected with optical fibers. So I'll just share with you what that means. Earlier we had a big problem because we did not have optical fiber connections going to the village level and going to the block level. But it is with collaboration with the power department. The state government has taken up a project on its own to use the high tension wires and the poles and the towers of the MECL and PGCIL to string the optical fibers through those towers. So we no longer have to dig and put the cable underground. We are using MECL towers, we are using PGCIL towers to take the optical fiber, which is bringing down the cost by almost 80%. And we are now going to connect all the block offices with optical fiber so that we will get all seamless, internet connectivity and intranet connectivity to improve the governance, so that all the information, data, everything can flow at a very fast pace. So I'm sharing this with you. I don't want to go too much into details, there's so much happening, but it's just to give you a glimpse of how we are working towards not just creating new blocks and just putting up more C&RD blocks. There is a larger goal and a vision and a master plan to improve the overall administrative capacity at the grassroots level by ensuring that we increase the manpower, technology and infrastructure so that we're able to provide better service to the citizens of our state. And reforms, of course, in terms of administrative reforms that are taking place. So that's how the work is going on in the C&RD department, and I really would like to congratulate our Honourable Minister for his vision and hard work that he's putting in to reform the overall C&RD department. I'll also take a minute to tell you that C&RD department today, in spite of all the challenges that we face, all the difficulties we face, is today one of the best performing departments in the state government. I must mention that. I'm not saying perfect, I'm saying one of the best performing. We have to move towards perfection. Perfection takes time, it's a process. But today, if we were at 30%, I can confidently tell you we are moving towards almost 80 to 90% in terms of even getting things almost perfect. You look at PMAY, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, low-cost house, as we know in our villages. In the last 5 years, or even 10 years, in the last 10 years, put together, we have constructed around 50,000 to 60,000 houses, plus minus, in 10 years. So I repeat, in 10 years we have constructed 50 to 60,000 houses under PMAY. In the last 1 year alone, C&RD department has constructed 160,000 PMAY houses. That's what I mean by saying one of the best performing departments. So all 10 years put together was 50,000. In 1 year, they constructed 160,000 houses. Under MG and REGS, which is the job card, as we all know, we used to spend less than 500 crores every year. 400, 300, 500 was what we spent. Today we are crossing almost 1,500 crores as we spend under MG and REGS every year. That's triple the jump in less than 6 years, 7 years time. So this reflects the kind of capacity to absorb, the efficiency to improve and to implement. All of this is happening because the overall efficiency of the department has gone up, and as I said, I must congratulate the officials, the BDOs, the deputy commissioners, all the stakeholders, and of course our Honourable Minister for the excellent performance that the C&RD department today is doing. Coming to our program today, I'll again just take a very short time to tell you that it's not just the C&RD block. This, of course, as I said, has been a commitment we have given to the people. It is a commitment I had given to Charles. It's a commitment I had given to his team. A commitment I had given to the people of Mawhati constituency. And therefore I'm happy to see that we are able to fulfill this commitment. It's not just about the block. I was listening to the wonderful speech given by Charles. An excellent speech about mentioning about the C&RD block, that it's a symbol of hope. It's more than just having this block. It's not just this building, but there's much more to it. For me, it's not just about the C&RD block. It's about the trust that we have built in the last few months and years with my friend and also Dr. Baum, that this is how we are committed to work. And when we build that trust, when we give a commitment, we fulfill the commitment. And that is the message, the larger message, which I would like to give. We have a huge challenge and a lot of works that we have to do in the future. We have a big goal. We really want to make our state one of the best states in the country. We want to make it a shining example, and a lot of people question how. And I tell them, I don't know how. But all I know is that I want to do it. And I will do it. But for us to be able to achieve that, we need to work together. Everybody. It's not just the political leaders. All the officers who are out here, every single BDO, all the people, the officials working at the grassroots level, I will remind you, you are part of this mission of ours. You are an integral part of this goal. And we will only achieve this goal when we work together. To the BDOs and the block officers and the officials who will work in this block, I urge you, please remember to always be kind to the people. I know it's a very, very simple thing and a very silly thing to say. But sometimes, we sit on the chair and we forget what we are here to do. Kindness is one of the most important traits that you need to have. You'll go through a lot of pressure. And sometimes that pressure may come into anger, and that anger may go against the people. But it's not their fault. There will always be pressure when you work. I request all officials, whenever you get angry, just remember this speech of mine and tell yourself that I will be calm, I will be cool, I will be kind to our people. And if we can have that simple thing going in our hearts, I'll tell you, many things will change. It starts with small things like these. And the small things, doing these things every day, is what will lead to success. So therefore we don't do big things, we do small things, but we do them well. Last, I also would like to share that yes, I know this road from Sonidam to Umsham is pending, but I will inform you, which Honorable Deputy CM has already informed, that this is part of our mega project, which is the Meghalaya, the MITP2, we call it the mega project, but this is the World Bank funded project. Under World Bank, we have 2,500 crores of schemes that we have to implement. All these projects, the DPRs have to be prepared. World Bank and central government have to vet that particular DPR, approve it, and only then can you go for tendering. And it's not just one project, there are about 15, 20 of them. Why I'm telling you this is because these take time. And it's not like a state scheme where you can just simply start the work or simply allot the work and go ahead. These are very technically complicated things which take time, and therefore, though it will take time to move forward, I assure you that I will personally monitor and ensure that this is done at the earliest. But let me also give the assurance that this project is already included in that list. The DPRs are being made as we speak, and we hope that in a very, very short time, we should be able to tender it out, and further, we are very hopeful that this project will start to be implemented also very, very soon. To also share with you this connectivity that is going to go and touch Jagi Road. Please remember, in the next 5, 10 to 15 years time, anything between that, this is going to be one of the most important corridors in terms of administration as well as in terms of economic activity. Whether it's the 27,000 crore chip factory that's coming up in Jagi Road, whether it's the new administrative complex of the Assam government which will come up around Jagi Road. This is the road that will connect Shillong to that area. And hence, this economic corridor will be of great importance. I urge our local MLA, our public out here, especially our communities, plan in advance how you would like to take advantage of this road connectivity in the coming years. It is the future. It is happening and it's going to be big. Industrial units will want to come up in this area. Other kinds of offices will want to come up. So this area is going to grow. Please remember this. And therefore, how would the people of this area and the localities and the communities be part of this growth story? You need to plan from today. And we'll be happy as a government to facilitate the process and work with the local people in order to ensure that we get maximum benefit out of this infrastructure and the infrastructure coming out across the border in Assam state as well. So this is something that I really would like to push. Apart from that, there are many small projects which we are working on, whether it's the schools that we have given in the border area or different kind of Chief Minister's Special Development Funds. So for all of that, we are also working closely. I don't want to go into details. But before I conclude, there's one person I must thank, and that's Reverend Father Leo Yobon, who has given this space to us for having this meeting and also given me a very nice cup of tea in the morning before we started this program. And right after I had a cup of tea, Father, gave me an application also. So I would like to take this opportunity. The mission is doing a great work. That's, I must say, first of all. And you've seen the missions that are run by, whether it's the Catholic Church, the Presbyterian Church, the Baptist Church, or any other church. There is a different kind of commitment that is there. It's selfless. They pour their heart, their mind, their soul, everything into making a difference in the child's life. And that differentiates the kind of quality of education that they provide. And I would like to congratulate Father for the lovely campus and the infrastructure you have and the work that you're doing. I received the application. I'm not ready with an answer, but I would like to right away at least announce a small token of 10 lakh rupees from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for your kindness and for more importantly the wonderful work you are doing. We will keep supporting and we will keep giving you more support from our side. As I said, I will not be able to announce anything further right now because I'll have to go back and discuss with the department. But the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund is within my jurisdiction directly. So I'm happy to announce 10 lakh rupees for at least for a start. So with these few words, I've taken up a lot of time. I have another program to attend, and after that program again I have to travel to Tura for Republic Day program tomorrow. So once again, I wish all of you the very best. Once again, I congratulate and thank our local MLA, Charles, for all the work that he has done and making this day possible, our Honorable Minister and the officials of the C&RD Department, and all the citizens of Mawhati constituency and the adjoining areas. I wish you all the very best and once again congratulate you all on this great historic day. May God bless Mawhati C&RD Block. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Bless you, Muthela, and Jai Hind.
First of all, I would like to thank Master George Macri for giving me this opportunity to deliver the vote of thanks. I thank God Almighty for His immense blessing upon all of us today, for blessing with us good weather and good health so that we can make this event a grand success. On behalf of the Shnong Umsohlait and the entire community under Mawhati C&RD Block, I'm deeply honored to stand before you today to express our heartfelt gratitude to each and everyone involved who has made this momentous occasion possible. I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sharma, for his unwavering support and vision in development of our state. Sir, your leadership has instrumental in bringing about positive changes in our community, and we are grateful for your contribution in making our long-awaited dreams of getting the Mawhati C&RD Block a reality. Thank you so much, sir. I would like also to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Shri Abu Tahir Mandal, the Minister of Community and Rural Development, for the crucial role that you have played in promoting the development and well-being of our community. Your support has made a significant difference in our community. Sir, your leadership and vision is truly appreciated, and we are deeply honored for your effort in improving the life of the community, in particular through the Mawhati C&RD Block, and we look forward to benefiting from the new facility in every positive way possible. Once again, sir, a big thank you for your kindness and esteemed contribution. We also grateful to our local MLA, Kubeshibun, Pak Charles, dari MLA Badan Kurang Jong Mawhati constituency dulu, Dignitary Shnong Umsohlait, Dignitary Rabak Umsohlait, Kumbab Daun Mende, Syakran Gaban, Abang yang dulu di rumah, abang yang ada dalam kam, apa ini kecing kepak kejungi keban orang dari blok hanya blok ke Mawhati kejungi hanya blok Shnong Umsohlait jungi terpang kira terisi tom berdapat ini yang mai kata jingkol kejungi jingkol ke nak benda kipai bang coba konstituensi Mawhati berkoi kebesipun jadi bahas mana ini berondong jungi yang terisi tom kejungi baru kejing ajuman kejungi yang jing don kanan kejungi bagi hantam mengi mungkin kita jongki dolasnom hakaba mati pelayan berarti yang bangilah ban poisa kong kabele ban penyo yang blok interasi jadi kejing sokan nak benda jungi bak ya borolang hani hakaba yo ya kini Mawhati C&RD Block Mawhati interasi hani ho Shnong Umsohlait jungi soba haktiru hak bele berarti kebesipun yang ini berondong jadi waktu besok dia isu minister berondong jadi minister berondong bapak yang C&RD kebab mapi kelah hai mana bertajungi besok. I essential appreciation and thank you to Sir Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner of Dignitary District, for your invaluable support and guidance throughout the project. Thank you so much, sir, for your leadership. I today Sarama iba nanti jadi iba dari project director John KDRDA pada itu video badin iba lain terekam dari nanti pos super Islam iba lain publish bursa yang ketiga bukan langkah jadi kabah kita perlu tadi baru kabah api kita perlu berbunsi hari ini baru dekat lagi menen haru sistem kalau berjadi lagi nanti nak jaga legislatif jaga bisa publish bursa sensor naik dulu ya video jangka Mawhati jangka Muslim C&RD Block isa Andrew Martong iba ladon kalang tadi iba nanti yang hari pun jigon kami iba berdak nak kata kajian play yang ini blok hanya post nujungi publish pun seseri kisah naik dulu ya baru kibedon mang hani naik dulu ya Alright, today is Ramakrishna IAS, Joint Secretary Jongka C&RD, baru CEO Jongka MSRLS, Beliau sponsor yang don dekat lang kejumpi mentasi apa ya dari bakteri kecing play ni blog kecing don dekat lang kejumpi kapal ikut yang mereka asli baru kecing air mesin yang baru kita pakai Shnong Umsohlait Mawhati constituency. Naso balai beliau hari kepon terpanggil ya iba Dennis mungkin iba lalu iba lagi riuran pak Shnong juga pada nanti yang ini badai lembaga ini oleh iba cas ilala ban bara ayat ini Mawhati blok hani Shnong Umsohlait beliau iba Dennis baru ya baru kira di mana ini Shnong ini kalau nanti baru kita lawan baru ya kini Mawhati blok hani Shnong juga. Nah ayat itu play kepada si KDE ya baru kira Shnong beliau kira Shnong ya kini hidup pemerintah di Shnong iba apa Mawhati constituency iba apa mereka C&RD Mawhati C&RD blok beliau kira Shnong iba kersan baru kita ya trenan nak bentang bangra yang ini blok ini Umsohlait jadi baru beliau ya jika bukan nang jadi bang ni nak nanti bapnya tre kanan nak bentang bangra yang blok baterai baru ke blok ke bangkiu baru ke blok bang Chief Minister kepada kena akan menjadi ikan sekian dari Dignitary dekat jadi kira Shnong kisahman jadi VC berarti sekretari jadi VC ialah ketika ini blok baterai sebab blok bangkau atau sebab migrasi jadi kemudian sebab jadi kira Shnong baru nasopan ai kecil itu pada Paris Prince jadi pada Leo Yabor pada ayat ini apa yang dijemputkan apa yang dijemput jadi jenis subdistrict ini apa Umsohlait ini nak yang terjadi masih lekar bagi pada itu dengan ayat itu bapak program ini pada ada program jadi kena program sibet jadi ini nak yang jadi pada ayat ini kemudian sebab yang di kementerian semua terjadi kejutan lah tentang ayat ini berpeluang ini program hari ini por hari ini cakap jumpi kuliah proses pada masuk naik play pada headmaster juga secondary higher secondary school Umsohlait pada jongkol simsat pada ayat ini berpenelkan ini berat school ayat ini berpenelkan yang school baru dijaka ini atau mungkin ayat ini nilai atau disodorkan berpenelkan hari ini kuliah proses ini pada yang regulasi sebelum jumpi naik play itu yang kita baru nanti kita school kita balasnya yang kita ajmi yang kita ajmi ini bahawa dari kesih kuliah sebelum dia baru kita school ya baru kita nikai baru dorongkan mahli